Hi, I'm Sergeant Burns of the RAF Police, and I'm here to talk to you about the benefits of using the iPad to carry out our day-to-day duties. Incorporating this modern technology into our role has meant that we can conduct our work in a streamlined and effective manner, saving time and money by delivering a service 3 times quicker than traditional policing methods. We are able to manage a crime scene, gathering best evidence from the moment we arrive. The iPad allows us to obtain signed witness statements at the scene, record and exhibit sketch plans if necessary, and gives us access to relevant paperwork and contacts such as the crime scene investigators who can provide essential advice on a scene via video link. With the iPads allowing us to access the Knowledge Platform, it provides the RAF Police with a library of reference materials and tools, giving newly trained personnel the confidence to be able to learn on the job and providing a visual learning benefit. The modern, sleek interface has enabled us to provide briefs to senior management on investigations and security taskings in a professional and efficient way, combining information received from different platforms onto an interactive whiteboard. The opportunity to use this vital technology has improved efficiency and output for ASF personnel, and the benefits continue to evolve, positively impacting the local community, RAF Police, and ultimately the wider Air Force.